Good morning students. I hope you all are very fine and taking care of you nicely. So today I am going to take your next, that is as we have linked, okay, the thief story, and I told you who is Anil and how Hari was very grateful to him. He has done a theft from Anil's bedroom, okay, so many, and he went to the platform, but he did not want to go anywhere. So Hari, that little boy, not very little, that teenage boy, stopped there. Okay, so this was, I am again linking the story. Now listen it carefully. Now see, the narrator used to like working for Anil as he used to make him tea in the morning, as we have already seen, but I am linking the chapter, so pay attention. He also used to steal 1 rupee from the money that was given to him to buy the groceries every day. Anil knew that he used to steal but did not mind. See, 1 rupee was not a mindful thing for Anil, because it's okay, he was doing another things for me. Anil used to make money by irregular works. Sometimes he used to borrow money, and the other day when he had money, he would be lending it to other people. Whenever he used to get money, he would go out with his friends to celebrate. One day Anil came in with a bundle of notes. As we have already seen, Anil used to get so much money at house always, and whenever excess money is there, he will go with his friends and celebrate and make his celebrations. Okay, one day Anil came with the bundle of notes and told Hari that he had sold a book to a publisher. Likewise, one day Anil again came with a bundle of notes and told Hari that he had sold a book to a publisher. At night, he kept money safely under the mattress of his bed. Hari realized that he had been working for Anil for more than a month and had not stolen anything apart from a 1 rupee that he kept every day from the grocery money. Hari had many chances to steal, as he had the key to the room as well, but he was surprised with the amount of trust Anil had on him. And now you are quite mature students, so I will not explain you too much lengthily. It is because, if someone believes you, are you getting my point? If someone believes you, then to break their trust, it is very hard for you. Today is also, for many people, honesty is the best policy. And this confusion was with Hari, that boy of a teenage. Okay, he did not want to break a trust of Anil. Okay, but he was surprised with the amount of trust Anil had on him, as he had never seen such a trusting person in his life, because that teenage boy never seen such a trustful person in his life. This trust thing was preventing him from robbing Anil, and Hari thought that robbing a careless person like Anil did not make much difference, because he might not even notice that he had been robbed. As Anil was somewhere careless person, so Hari was thinking, that teenage boy was thinking, he robbing on Anil, the person like Anil, who is very careless in his life. Okay, it will not matter too much. Then he thought of stealing Anil's money and justified himself that he did not steal money from Anil, then also he would waste it on his friends, and also Anil did not pay him for a work that he did. Okay, this was the plan of Hari, that boy, that teenage boy. I will steal the money, and Anil did not know. Anil will thought I celebrate or I waste that money on my friends, on my parties. So Anil will not mind I had stole that money. Now see what happened next. Hari then woke up at night and quietly crawled to Anil's bed. He steals the money and decides to leave in the city by Lucknow Express. Here also we have seen already, but still I am reading to link out you. And departed 10:30. When he reached the station, the train had slowly started moving from the platform, and he could have easily caught the train, but he hesitated, and he himself did not know the reason for it. But train was in front of that boy, but he was hesitated. He was not ready to go in a train. He somewhere in his mind, because you people also see, you can cheat everyone, but you cannot cheat your mind. Okay, because your mind is mirror of your personality, so you cannot cheat your mind, and his mind was somewhere hesitated to go into the train. Now see what happened next. He could have easily caught the train, but he hesitated, and he himself did not know the reason for it. Before he had reached the station, he counted the money, and it was 600 rupees in 50 rupees notes. He could live a lavish life for 2-3 weeks with so much money. After the train had left, Hari was all alone at the train station. He was left with no place to sleep at night. The only person he knew was Anil. He had looted him as well. Okay, no one was there instead of Anil in that city, and he was at night. He spent his all night at a railway station. Then he realized that the notes had got wet. He realized that learning how to read and write would help him to get much more respectable and honest job, which would pay him much more than the few hundred rupees. Then he decided to go back to Anil's house. Now he realized, that teenage boy realized that no one is there instead of Anil of mine in this city, in this such a big city. But there is possibility. If I will learn how to write and how to read, then I will got a respectable job in this city instead of this theft. Okay, and instead of these few hundred rupees notes. Then he decided to go back to Anil's house. Here again climax is there. He decided to go to Anil. He reached the room and placed the money back. Next morning, he woke up a bit late, and Anil had already made his tea. Next morning, what happened? Anil has already made his tea, and he was woke up. Okay, he was woke up already, Anil, and he has made some tea for both. Anil gave a 50 rupees note to Hari, as he had got paid for some work and he would be paid regularly. Hari took the note in his hand and realized that the note was still wet from the rain last night. Hari realized that Anil had come to know about his misdeed, but there was no sadness. Are you getting my point? The note which is given to Hari by Anil, that note was wet, wet, wet. You know, wet due to rain, it become wait. And now Hari realized Anil had come to know about the misdeed I have done, but there was no sadness. But Anil did not angry with him, anger and guilt in his mind. But in Anil's mind, no guilt was there, no sadness was there. The narrator smiled in a beautiful way, and it was genuine happiness, as he knew that he had saved himself from the wrong road. It was a genuine happiness between both of them, Anil and that teenage boy. And this was the reason that that boy thought that someone is there who saved me from the wrong road. Okay, otherwise, and of course, I was on the wrong path. And this is the reason here it is a very beautiful story by Ruskin Bond, and Ruskin Bond is an author which who is awarded Sahitya Academy Award in 1992. Okay, so many Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, so many awards he had won. Okay, now we are going to stop here. The summary of the story now finished. So listen it very carefully, minimum 2 or 3 times, and take care of you. Okay.